My name is Matt Baker and I am the producer at Rooster Tail Productions. We are excited to be partnering with Cardo systems this season. Being able to communicate between production and riders hands-free is a game changer, and I can't wait to see what we can create together with the Cardo PACKTALK system.
What's up, dude?
Oh yeah, buddy, that was fun.
You ready, Baker?
Let's keep going, let's keep going.
Damn, this is sick.
Yeah, how about that view?
Sick, dude.